Most reliable truck lists are garbage, showing you vehicles that cost more than your mortgage. But what if you could get a truck that won't break the bank and won't leave you stranded? I've analyzed thousands of reliability reports, consumer feedback, and repair histories to uncover the 20 most reliable trucks you can actually afford. Truck number 3 shocked even me, a model most mechanics will tell you to avoid, but the data proves otherwise. Ready to discover which used trucks offer the best bang for your buck without emptying your wallet on repair bills? Let's dive in. The average new truck now costs over $60,000. That's insane, but the used market is a minefield of potential money pits if you don't know what to look for. Today, we're counting down the 20 most reliable used trucks that won't destroy your finances, both in purchase price and maintenance costs. Number 20, Hyundai Santa Cruz, 2023. Starting our list is the newest entry in the affordable truck market. The 2023 Hyundai Santa Cruz brings car-like handling with genuine utility. Consumer Reports recommends it for reliability right out of the gate, which is rare for a first model year vehicle. What makes it special? It's essentially a Tucson with a bed, giving you crossover comfort with pickup practicality. Perfect for weekend warriors who need occasional hauling capability without the harsh ride of traditional trucks. You can find these starting around $28,000 used, not exactly cheap, but significant savings from new pricing. Just watch for issues with the infotainment system. The touchscreen can occasionally glitch, but the powertrain, rock solid. Number 19, Ford Maverick, 2022. Ford's compact truck experiment has paid off big time. The Maverick delivers what many Americans have been begging for, a truly small pickup with excellent fuel economy and genuine utility. Consumer Reports lists it among their most reliable used pickups despite being relatively new to the market. The hybrid version is particularly appealing, delivering over 40 miles per gallon in city driving while still offering 1,500 pounds of payload capacity. At around $25,000 used, it's still holding value well, but that's because these trucks deliver exceptional reliability for the price point. The unibody construction might turn off traditional truck guys, but it creates a smoother, more manageable daily driver that still hauls what most people actually need. Number 18, Ram 1500 Classic. The Ram Classic represents one of the smartest buying strategies in the truck world. When Ram redesigned their 1500, they kept producing the previous generation alongside it at a lower price point. With a CarMax owner rating of 4.6 out of 5, owners clearly love these trucks. You're essentially getting proven, debugged technology that's been refined over years of production. The 5.7-liter Hemi V8 is particularly bulletproof when maintained properly. You can find these starting around $18,000 for higher mileage examples, making them genuine bargains in today's inflated market. Just check for oil consumption issues on higher mileage models. Number 17, Ford Ranger, 2021 and 2020. After a long hiatus, Ford brought back the Ranger as a midsize option, and the 2020 to 2021 models have proven surprisingly reliable. Consumer Reports gave the 2020 model a 4 out of 5 reliability rating. Impressive for a recently reintroduced nameplate. The 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine delivers a solid balance of power and efficiency, while the 10-speed automatic transmission has proven more durable than critics initially expected. These trucks can tow up to 7,500 pounds when properly equipped. Impressive for their size. Used examples start around $22,000, which isn't dirt cheap, but considering their capability and reliability, they represent solid value in today's market. Number 16, GMC Sierra 2500 HD 2018. Heavy-duty trucks often get overlooked in reliability discussions, but the 2018 Sierra 2500 HD deserves attention. Consumer Reports specifically recommends this model year for its dependability. The 6.0-liter gas V8 is particularly bulletproof, simple, proven technology that just works. If you need serious towing capacity with minimal headaches, this is your truck. Many examples were used commercially and meticulously maintained, so service records are often available. You'll pay around $30,000 for a decent example, but considering their capability and durability, that's reasonable value for a heavy-duty pickup that can handle virtually any job you throw at it. Number 15, Chevrolet Avalanche. The Avalanche might be the most unique truck on our list. Built on the Suburban platform, it offers SUV comfort with pickup versatility, thanks to its innovative mid-gate design that extends the bed into the cabin when needed. The 2009 to 2012 models share mechanical components with the Colorado, which had excellent powertrain reliability during those years. The 5.3-liter V8 is particularly robust, often reaching well beyond 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. These unique trucks can be found between $12,000 to $18,000 depending on condition and mileage. Their distinctive styling isn't for everyone, but their reliability and versatility make make them hidden gems in the used market. It's time for a quick break. If you're enjoying this rundown of reliable used trucks, hit that subscribe button. I release new videos every week analyzing the used car market to help you make smarter buying decisions. Now let's continue with our countdown. Number 14, Ford F-250 Super Duty, 2008 to 2010. If you need serious capability without breaking the bank, the 2008 to 2010 F-250 Super Duty deserves consideration. Both the gas V8 and Power-Stroke diesel options from these years have proven remarkably durable. These trucks were built during a sweet spot in Ford's heavy-duty development, after they resolved earlier diesel issues, but before complex emission systems were fully implemented. Many owners report reaching 300,000+ miles with reasonable maintenance. You can find decent examples starting around $15,000 for gas models, though diesels command a premium. Be sure to check for frame rust, particularly in northern states, but mechanical reliability is outstanding for trucks of this caliber. Number 13, Toyota Tundra, first generation, 1999 to 2006. Toyota's reputation for bulletproof reliability is well earned with the first-generation Tundra. The 2000, 2002, and especially 2006 model years received exceptional scores from Consumer Reports for both reliability and owner satisfaction. The 4.7-liter V8 is legendary for its durability, with many examples surpassing 400,000 miles. The 2003 model year received perfect scores from Consumer Reports in both reliability and owner satisfaction, rare for any vehicle, let alone a truck. These older Tundras can be found between $8,000 to $15,000 depending on condition and mileage. They're smaller than today's full-size trucks, but that makes them more practical for many owners. Just inspect the frame thoroughly for rust issues, particularly on models from the early 2000s. Number 12, Ford F-150, 12th generation, 2009 to 2014. The 12th generation F-150 represents one of Ford's strongest efforts in the full-size truck market. The 2010 model year is particularly noteworthy as it resolved issues from the 2009 redesign. For the best combination of reliability and efficiency, look for models with the 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine introduced in 2011. Despite initial skepticism about turbocharged engines in trucks, these have proven remarkably durable while delivering impressive power and reasonable fuel economy. Clean examples start around $12,000, making them solid values. Avoid four-wheel drive models built before 2010 as they had some reliability concerns, and be wary of earlier models with the Triton V8's spark plug issues. Number 11, GMC Sierra 1500, 2007 to 2013. The Sierra 1500 from this generation offers excellent reliability, particularly in models produced after 2010. Interestingly, Sierra owners report higher satisfaction than Silverado owners, despite the mechanical similarities between the trucks. The 5.3-liter V8 from this era is particularly robust, with many examples easily surpassing 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. These trucks strike an excellent balance between capability, comfort, and reliability. You can find good examples between $10,000 to $18,000 depending on configuration and mileage. Watch for electrical problems in certain model years, but the powertrains are generally rock solid. Number 10, Honda Ridgeline, first generation 2006 to 2014. Now we're entering the top 10, and the Honda Ridgeline deserves its spot with a remarkable CarMax owner rating of 4.7 out of 5. Consumer Reports and J.D. Power both describe this truck as basically bulletproof. The Ridgeline's unibody construction delivers car-like handling without significantly compromising utility for most users. The 2009 model year stands out as particularly reliable, though the entire generation is solid. These unique trucks start around $10,000 for higher mileage examples, representing excellent value. They're not traditional body-on-frame trucks, but for suburban users who need occasional hauling capabilities with daily comfort, they're hard to beat. Just check for tailgate latch issues and cylinder problems in the earliest models. Number 9, Nissan Titan, first generation, 2004 to 2015. The first-generation Titan offers full-size capability with Japanese reliability, a compelling combination. While early models had some issues, focusing on 2009 to 2015 models yields excellent reliability, with the 2012 model achieving an 80 out of 100 reliability score. The 5.6-liter V8 is particularly robust, delivering strong performance and surprising longevity. These trucks offer legitimate full-size capability and comfort at prices significantly below comparable domestic trucks of the same era. You can find solid examples starting around $9,000, with well-equipped models reaching up to $20,000. Be aware of potential automatic transmission issues and inspect for rear axle problems in earlier models. Number 8. Toyota Tacoma, second generation, 2005 to 2015. The second-generation Tacoma has achieved near-legendary status for reliability. The 2006 model year started strong with an 82 out of 100 reliability score, while the 2011, 2014, and 2015 models are particularly recommended for used buyers. The Tacoma's bulletproof reliability contributes to its strong resale value, making it somewhat less cheap than other options on this list. However, the total cost of ownership often proves lower due to minimal repair costs and exceptional longevity. These trucks typically start around $12,000 for higher mileage examples, climbing to $28,000 for later, low-mileage models. The key concern is frame corrosion, particularly in 2005 to 2008 models, so thorough inspection is crucial before purchase. Number 7. Ford Ranger, third generation, 1998 to 2011. The third-generation Ranger has achieved cult status for its incredible longevity, with many owners reporting 300,000-plus miles without major issues. The 2009 and 2010 model years stand out as particularly reliable options. These compact pickups offer genuine capability in a manageable size, with simple, proven technology that's easy and affordable to maintain. They represent perhaps the best value proposition on our entire list. Clean examples can be found between $5,000 to $14,000, depending on configuration and condition. Watch for timing chain chatter and potential transmission maintenance as mileage accumulates. But overall, these trucks offer exceptional reliability for the price. Number 6. Toyota Tundra, second generation, 2007 to 2013. The second-generation Tundra represents Toyota's successful push into the full-size truck market, offering legitimate capability with renowned reliability. The 2013 model year is particularly recommended, especially if recalls have been addressed. The optional 5.7-liter V8 is exceptionally durable, delivering strong performance and surprising longevity. The 2010 model also receives high marks for reliability across multiple sources. These trucks typically range from $10,000 to $22,000 in the used market, representing solid value considering their capability and durability. Watch for potential manifold leaks and ball joint issues, and carefully inspect the frame for rust, particularly in earlier models. Number 5. GMC Sierra 1500, third generation, 2014 to 2018. Breaking into our top 5 is the third-generation Sierra 1500. These trucks benefit from widespread fleet use, meaning parts are readily available and affordable. The 2017 model year is particularly recommended for its reliability. The 5.3-liter V8 engine offers an excellent balance of power, efficiency, and longevity. Many high-mileage examples on the market have received consistent maintenance due to commercial use, making them surprisingly good buys. Prices typically range from $13,000 to $26,000, depending on configuration and mileage. Be aware of potential transmission issues and electrical problems in some models, as well as oil consumption in certain years. Number 4. Chevrolet Silverado 1500, third generation, 2014 to 2018. The mechanical twin to the Sierra claims a slightly higher spot due to greater parts availability and typically lower prices. The 2017 Silverado 1500 stands out for reliability among this generation. Like the Sierra, these trucks benefit from extensive fleet use, meaning maintenance is straightforward and affordable. The abundance of used Silverados on the market also helps keep prices reasonable compared to some import options. Expect to pay between $12,000 to $25,000 for good examples, with the same caveats regarding transmission issues and excessive oil consumption as the Sierra. A thorough inspection of the maintenance history and overall condition is crucial when considering these trucks. Number 3. Ram 1500, fourth generation, 2009 to 2018. Surprised to see a Ram in the top 3? The data doesn't lie. The fourth-generation Ram 1500, particularly models equipped with the 5.7-liter Hemi V8, offers exceptional reliability when properly maintained. The 2012 model stands out with an impressive 87 out of 100 reliability score from J.D. Power, while the 2013 and 2014 models also receive high marks. Regular oil changes and minimizing idle time help mitigate potential lifter issues in the Hemi engine. These trucks can be found between $8,000 to $20,000 depending on configuration and condition. Some earlier models experience minor fuel injector issues, but these are typically inexpensive to address and don't affect long-term reliability. Number 2, Chevrolet Colorado, first generation, 2003 to 2012, and GMC Canyon. Taking our number 2 spot is the first generation Colorado and its GMC Canyon twin. Available in multiple configurations from standard cab short bed to crew cab long bed, these versatile trucks offer impressive mechanical reliability, particularly in the 2009 to 2012 model years. Engine options range from economical inline-4s to a potent 5.3-liter V8, with manual or automatic transmissions in 2-wheel drive or 4x4 configurations. The later years, 2007 to 2012, are generally considered more robust workhorses. These trucks can be found between $6,000 to $17,000, depending on configuration and condition. While earlier models experienced engine misfires and transmission problems, the later years address these issues for reliable, affordable transportation. Number 1. Nissan Frontier, second generation, 2005 to 2020. Taking our top spot is the second generation Nissan Frontier, perhaps the most overlooked reliability champion in the truck world. This generation received a 4.0 out of 5 reliability rating from RepairPal, with the 2014 model achieving a perfect 5 out of 5 from Consumer Reports. What makes it so reliable? Simple, proven technology that remains largely unchanged throughout its 15-year production run. The 4.0-liter V6 engine is particularly robust, and models with manual transmissions are especially durable. For maximum reliability, focus on 2010 and later models, which addressed earlier concerns regarding head gasket and rear-end issues. These trucks offer crew cab layouts, accommodating 5 passengers, practical bed sizes, and durable body-on-frame construction at prices ranging from $7,000 to $18,000. The only significant concern is a radiator design flaw in 2005 to 2008 automatic models that can lead to coolant mixing with transmission fluid, the dreaded strawberry milkshake of death. Ensure this has been addressed when considering earlier models. So there you have it, 20 reliable used trucks that won't drain your bank account. If you enjoyed this breakdown, you need to check out my video about the 20 badass cars from the 20th century that's been canceled, where I reveal legendary vehicles that manufacturers killed off despite massive cult followings. These discontinued classics now command serious money on the used market. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.